Hey everyone, it's your boy Marcus Wells, 803 Gardener. I'm back with the new citrus trees, officially potted. Just waiting their first watering. The Xie Shan Satsuma. As well as the Thornless Key Lime. And the Hamlin Orange. I also added a little bit of wild root organic Mycorrhiza. This will be the first time ever using Mycorrhiza. I want to see if there's actually a difference between just potting them in the right type of soil and feeding them good. I want to see if this actually makes a growing difference and a root development difference, as they say. So stay tuned for this. I'm also going to be using this come spring in the video where my rabbit cage was when I'm planting the Satsumas in the ground. I'm going to do one with the Mycorrhiza and one without the Mycorrhiza to compare the two to see if one grows and develops faster than the other. So stay tuned and look forward to that video. But anyway, here we are. Yeah, you got to excuse the greenhouse, you guys. It's 98 degrees in here right now, so I've been dropping stuff, spilling stuff, so they get cleaned up. This is, of course, a little bit of banana water mixed with some rabbit manure, mixed with a little dash of 511. I tell you what, this stuff may not smell the best, but it works. This is kind of on a hill a little bit. Put some on this back side so it can go straight down more. There we go. Let's use the bowl, right? Like I said, we're going to see the growth difference. All three of these got Mycorrhiza, by the way. I just wanted to see the growth comparison to everything, to all the other citrus trees back there. Like, once again, these trees came from Bright Leaf Nursery, and I'll tell you what, after their customer service experience and after the unboxing experience, they have a customer for life out of me. Great prices. This Thornless Key Lime, which is they classified as a Thornless Key Lime bush on their page, was 15 bucks. This Hamlin Orange was 25, and the Satsuma was also 25. Like I said, they have great prices, a great selection of citrus trees, so go over there and check them out. Customer service is A1, 2-day shipping. You get what you pay for and then some, so excellent company. Right now I'll probably say Stockbros, Iceland's Nursery, excuse me, and the Bright Leaf Company are my top 3 favorite online nurseries right now. Oh, also as well as Just Fruits and Exotics, where I ordered my Giambo persimmon from. They're also a good company to order from. So it'll be 4 online nurseries that I would recommend to anyone right now. I thank you for tuning in with me to another video. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe, and even turn on the notification bell if you please. I will be making more videos. Like I said, the quality of the videos will also get better. I'm using my phone right now, so it's kind of hard to film and, you know, do unboxing videos and do planting videos and stuff like that. Like I said, everything will get better when I get better equipment. So just stay tuned and just stick with me, and we'll take this journey together. It's your boy Marcus Wells, Editor 3 Gardener, and I am out.